Hi there. I've been getting a weird message when I open an Adobe Acrobat PDF file recently. And so finally I've looked it up and played with it a little bit. This is the message I've been getting. The instruction at reference memory could not be read. Okay, so what I did, I was having trouble finding it. Like you go in and try to look for how do you check for updates in this program. It's really buried. So I'm going into the menu and I'm going into help, and here is where I was able to check for updates. And so I tried to do that and it had no updates for me this time, but I had done this recently. So what I thought I might need to do instead was go into the help and do this repair installation. And so I just ran this and opened up the same file and did not get the same error message. So I'm hoping that this has fixed it. But I thought this might be helpful for you too. So good luck. Have a great day.